Hello everybody and welcome to 𝗖𝗵𝗽𝘁𝗲. We're looking at the Ranger Superior N6 Longhorn today. We've done one video on this a few years ago, but we didn't carry them then, we do now. Alright. This one is for Jorge in Spain. Okay, and first thing we're going to take a look at, let's see what we got for carrier levels over here on the left. AM power all the way down. About 15 watts. Put it on the 100 watt scale, or 300 watt. Power all the way up, about 130. Over here on this meter. Got peak power, got a 1000 watt slug there. I don't know if you can see that. There it is. Alright, and on peak power, I'm going to use this tone generator so you don't have to hear me holler. Turn down the talk back. Where's that? Right here. Alright, peak power over there is about 590, almost 600. Alright. And now we'll try putting it on sideband, looking at peak power of that. Not too much difference, about 575-ish. I think that's 575. Here. And if it were all the way down, it's at about 360 or so. Okay. So there's AM sideband. See FM yet? 200 watts of FM. Oh, maybe 215, 220. So real quick, we'll take a look at with this switch off, amplifier off. I put in a 250 slug. Let's see what we were already on FM there. Let's see what that is. About 35 watts. Kick it over to AM, and we're looking at peak AM. I'm injecting a signal. Looking at close to 100 watts right there. We still focused? Nope. There we go, close to 100 watts right there. And I'm going to take it over to sideband now. And we're looking at about 70 right there. See right there is 4.5 watts. And if I turn it all the way up, this is the next scale there, so it's 24 watts. Let's do the audible section where you like to hear the radio. I'm going to move you up here to my Galaxy Saturn. Nobody likes listening on my Stryker. Galaxy Saturn. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2. Yeah, sideband. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check. 1, 2. And one last one on FM. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right, bigger. Those of you who would rather hear this guy. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. FM sounds kind of basic. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Hello, 1, 2. And then sideband, last one. Audio. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Negative. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, let's take a look inside. See, there's my K-leg brackets. See, there's quite a heat sink on there, and put a nice fan. It's temperature controlled. I get this question a lot because it's so hot with the heat waves out there. This is controlled by a temperature switch coming from the power going in right here. So it's not controlled by the on-off switch. So yes, the fan will run when you're not in the car, if it's that hot. So let's bust it open and look inside. So I want you to take a look inside here. That's the bottom with the clarifier wire. And the inside looks a whole lot like 2900 series Ranger. 2950 DX6 final section right there. And the 6 MOSFET amplifier finals, 9530s. Nice cooling fan on the bottom. And this power wire in the back, we sell 3 different ways to go. We can extend your wire, the one that comes with, make one of these. Sell you a whole new one for a separate vehicle. Same gauge though, 8 gauge. Or step you up in a big monster 4 gauge power cable. I know I don't usually do this. I always leave it up cbradiomagazine.com and let them guys do it because they do a much better job than I do. But let me at least go through the quick what the knobs are on the front of here. We got volume and squelch on here, mic gain and RF gain, echo controls, dual echo controls, talkback and a dimmer on the display, multi-mode, CW, FM, AM, upper lower sideband, PA. The fine tune right here gives us about 2 kilohertz up and down. And then variable power, which we just looked at. Band up and band down. It's like the band switch we used to have. Noise blanker, automatic noise limiter, Roger beep, and the SWR meter. Alright, and I calibrate that at full power. Put it to full power, stick a 3-to-1 load on it, calibrate at the rate of perfect 3-to-1. Because there is no calibrate. Alright, so that's all the controls on this radio. Can't think of anything else to show you right now. We're going to cut it short. Someone just came in the front door. We'll see you. Bye.